Welcome! If you're tired of rough, calloused feet and want a professional pedicure at home, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best electric foot callus removers to give you smooth, soft feet with ease. Let's get started. Number 5. PRITECH Electric Feet Callus Remover. Kicking things off, we have the PRITECH Electric Feet Callus Remover. This compact and efficient device is perfect for anyone looking for a quick and easy solution to dry, rough skin. With 2 adjustable speeds, 1900x min for gentle exfoliation and 2200x min for tough calluses, it allows you to customize your treatment to suit your skin's needs. The 3 interchangeable roller heads ensure you can tackle different levels of dead skin. It's IPX6 waterproof, meaning you can easily clean it underwater, although frequent submersion isn't recommended. The 45-minute battery life is decent, and the built-in LED indicator helps you keep track of your charge. While it's efficient and easy to use, some users note that you may need to recharge it more frequently. Still, it's an affordable and reliable option for smooth feet. Number 4. OTAZWA Electric Callus Remover. At number 4, we have the OTAZWA Electric Callus Remover, a standout with its 21-in-1 pedicure kit. This device is packed with accessories to take your foot care routine to the next level, including stainless steel files, a foot brush, a cuticle fork, and more. The 3 interchangeable roller heads provide tailored treatment for delicate, newly formed, and stubborn calluses, while the 2 adjustable speeds ensure customizable care. The ergonomic design is easy to hold, and the IPX7 waterproof rating makes cleaning a breeze. Though some users have mentioned battery life concerns, the addition of an LED light for precision and the variety of included accessories make this a great option for at-home pampering. Number 3. Hoxida Electric Callus Remover. Next up, the Hoxida Electric Callus Remover brings a powerful combination of convenience, performance, and hygiene. Equipped with a 10W dual motor and 2 speed settings, it allows you to adjust the treatment based on your needs. One of the most unique features is its built-in vacuum system, which instantly sucks up foot debris, keeping the area clean as you work. With an IPX7 waterproof rating and an LCD display to show battery status and speed, this callus remover is as functional as it is efficient. It offers 120 minutes of continuous use on a full charge, and its smart protection system ensures safety during use. If you're looking for a more hygienic, effective, and customizable option, the Hoxida Callus Remover should be high on your list. Number 2. Geopu Electric Foot Callus Remover. Coming in at number 2 is the Geopu Electric Foot Callus Remover, a highly rated tool that delivers professional results in the comfort of your home. This 8-in-1 set includes everything you need, from 3 interchangeable roller heads to an LCD display for battery monitoring. Its 2 adjustable speeds give you total control over your pedicure. The Geopu device offers 60-90 minutes of continuous use after just 2-3 hours of charging. Plus, its IPX4 water-resistant design makes cleanup a breeze, and the built-in LED light helps you see even in dim lighting. This is a great choice for anyone who wants a versatile, easy-to-use tool for regular foot care. Number 1. NiceBirdie Electric Foot Callus Remover. Finally, taking the top spot is the NiceBirdie Electric Foot Callus Remover. This device offers exceptional performance with 5 replaceable roller heads to suit every need, from fine to coarse skin. The 2 speed options allow you to adjust based on your skin's condition. One of the standout features is its automatic protection system, which stops the device if excessive pressure is applied, ensuring your skin stays safe. The high-capacity rechargeable battery offers up to 120 minutes of continuous use, and its IPX7 waterproof rating means you can easily rinse it clean. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold, while the LED display lets you track your battery life. If you're looking for a professional-grade foot care experience at home, the NiceBirdie Electric Foot Callus Remover is the way to go. And that's our roundup of the top 5 best electric foot callus removers. From affordable options like the PRITECH to the all-in-one powerhouse, the NiceBirdie, each of these devices has something unique to offer. No matter which one you choose, you're guaranteed smooth, soft feet with minimal effort. Let us know in the comments which one you'd like to try, and be sure to subscribe for more product reviews. Stay pampered!